A metal just fall into a worker at your workplace. The metal is still stuck in the body. Do you pull it out? Absolutely not. Let me show you the correct first aid response in this situation. Follow me. Before we continue, please note this. I'm not a physician, a medical doctor, or a nurse. I'm a certified first aid and CPR instructor sharing my educational information based on my skill and my experience. This is not medical advice, and this does not replace professional medical care. Let's continue. So now, let me break down step by step on what I have just done there. Step 1, make sure the scene is safe. Before you assist someone, check if the area is safe for you. Look for hazard like electricity, sharp object, machinery, chemical, even unstable structure. You cannot help someone effectively if you become injured yourself. Protect yourself first. Step 2, call the emergency number. Call your local emergency immediately because impaled object is a medical emergency. This injury often involves internal bleeding, which may be invisible for you. So, call emergency immediately. And please note this, impaled object often require a professional medical care. Step 3, do not remove the object. This is the most important step. Do not remove the object because the object may be helping to reduce the bleeding. Removing it can cause catastrophic bleeding. leave the object in place. Step 4, control the bleeding. If there is a bleeding, apply gentle pressure around the object. Never push or press directly the object. Use clean dressing or cloth if it's available. Please note, if there is a bleeding, pressure around, not on. Step 5, stabilize the object. That is, prevent the object of moving. Place roll bandage, towel, dressing, or cloth that you have, and that place them around the object. Secure them carefully. The goal is to reduce the movement of the object because movement causes damage. Step 6, monitor the person. Continue monitoring the person. Watch for signs like pale skin, sweating, rapid breathing, convulsion. Stay with the person until the emergency arrives. In this type of situation, shock is the major concern. Now,
quiz time. Can you get all 3 correct?
Now, before you leave, download my free workplace trauma guide below at the description. Inside the guide, you will find severe bleeding response, impaled object response, a shock recognition guide, emergency workplace checklist. Download it at the link below. And if you want practical first aid and emergency preparedness training at your workplace, subscribe to our channel so that we can keep in touch. Share my video. See you in another video.